Now the lockdown was over, the park was getting busier, which meant Aiden had less time to work with me on the timber framing and the bridge and the milling. So it prompted a necessary change. It was time to leave. So it was our last night here, and we had a wild storm. Just missed the bridge.
Yeah, wow.
She's a bit windy and wet today, as you can see. Half of this tree snapped off. Landed on top of this van. Lucky it wasn't ours. Full tree in the dam.
So after 3 months living here, we are saying goodbye today. Moving on.
Oh, the dogs are saying goodbye too.
You're ruining my moment here. Sad days, saying goodbye to the wetlands.
We are going to miss this place. There's so much we didn't do here. Like, we still haven't been to the top of that mountain yet. But yeah, it's time to move on and
See you,
see a
Redmond.
new place.
Doing?
That means you, Jess. No monkey business, alright?
One time I drive, I'm going to try not to hit any kangaroos. So Sean and I have different ideas of exciting. This is what Sean finds exciting. Getting stuck in the mud.
Yeah.
On purpose.
First time. You gotta test out the gear.
I don't think you're meant to be happy about this kind of thing. Poor GoPro. Ooh.